2.7K, 120 frames per second, 240th of a second shutter speed, linear plus horizon stabilization. I want to see if we have any problems with like the jerkiness on the stabilization, because I did have a weird thing happen when I was filming up in the mountains, but I wonder if that had to do with the cold, because the newest update, which is what I just updated this GoPro to, has a fix to improve the cold weather ability for the stabilization. So that's kind of interesting. I wonder why the cold weather has an effect on that. Anyway, oh, also it's just going to be a little bit overexposed because I need a darker ND filter and I don't feel like putting it on. Here we go. It's okay. All right, so yeah, it felt really weird flying this thing for some reason. I guess I don't know, I haven't flown it in a little while, or something about it felt weird. It felt like I don't know, it felt super mushy. It could be this new camera mount that I have on here. Maybe the camera's a little higher than normal, so it's making it feel kind of off balance. Or it could be, actually, it's probably the camera tilt. I have very little camera tilt on here. That's probably what it is. Anyway, so that hopefully that was a pretty sloppy flight, but maybe that looks, if it looks good, then that's a good thing for the stabilization, because that was definitely not my best flying there. All right,